love water. It's clean. It's refreshing. It's pure. Unlike this system, Lazy Millionaire. That's right, I wasn't just talking about water on this video. Here I am, I've got a no link review video on Lazy Millionaire. Now what I mean by no link is I'm not gonna promote anything to you. You are probably used to seeing reviews of people promoting, whether it's the actual product they're reviewing, or at the end of the video, they're like, don't do this, but join this. I'm not gonna do that on this channel. I'm seriously going to give you, I'm gonna talk about the systems and if you should get into them or not. As soon as I saw the word Lazy Millionaire, I was like, oh, this is gonna be good. Yet again, another trading software robot, whatever you wanna call it, that's going to promise you the world, but under-deliver with grand fashion. There are literally so many of these programs that come out every day or every week. It's like kind of sickening. The crazy thing is that trading isn't a scam. Unfortunately, a lot of the systems that come out around trading are scams. Few things with these systems, right? First off, the owners of these systems, they want you to get in, they want you to sign up with the broker and put money in because it makes them commissions. They may say, I'm gonna give it to you for free. You know, I don't know if you've ever heard that. This is a free software, pay no money, put your wallet away. Only to actually find you're gonna be whipping it back out just as fast as they told you to put it away. They make commissions off of you when you put money into that broker. There's nothing wrong with people making commissions off of people. I don't think that that's the problem. What I don't like is that there's really no trade-off, okay? I can't tell you how many people have gone into things like this and have lost so much. I can't tell you how many people have called me, emailed me, Facebooked me. I can't count. The amount of money they've lost is incredible. I've heard a couple different scenarios. You know, first off, you get in there, the system seems like it's working, you're placing your bets, you're winning trades, and then all of a sudden, it'll start just losing left and right until you basically have no money. Or probably a bigger issue is when it comes to withdraw your money. You want your money out. You want to be able to put it into your bank. There's all these withdrawal rules, or they don't even pay out. And then, you know, not only that, even if the system does work for a little bit, these are all very short-lived. They all get taken down. These are not long-term things. These all get taken down. You can't look at this and be like, oh my God, for the next year to 5 years, I'll be able to use this. No, they're gonna be long gone before that. So they're not long-term. So if you really wanna be a trader, I recommend you go find a mentor. Go find a mentor. You may gotta pay them for some training. Who cares? At least you'll know what you're doing. Because people I know who make thousands of dollars a day or a week with trading, they know what they're doing. They study the markets, okay, and they have experience, and they have a little bit more money to play with. So you wanna make long-term income with trading, yeah, go find a mentor. There's a whole bunch of them. Go look on Facebook. Anyways, that's the end of my review. I don't recommend you get into Lazy Millionaire at all. Go find something a little bit more legit, okay? If you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click my channel little name and look at my other videos. Talk to you later.